Today, many buildings meet and pass fire codes. Yet, when a fire occurs, most burn, but not Magnum board. A laboratory test is used to determine durability under fire conditions.
This test is the official ASTM E119 test. This test measures how fast heat will transmit through a wall to set something aflame on the other side of a wall.
The ASTM E119 test is being administered on a series of wall assemblies, 2 gypsum walls and 1 Magnum board wall.
As it would be constructed in the field, and we're exposing it, in this case, for 2-hour duration to a prescribed time temperature curve, which will see temperatures in excess of 1800 degrees Fahrenheit within that 2-hour time frame. Once we've exposed that assembly to the fire, we will move that away from the furnace. We will then face the exposed side of that assembly towards a fire water hose stream application, a typical fire department hose stream at approximately 30 psi.
Let's see what happens to a fire-rated gypsum wall.
This is what's left of a 2-hour fire-rated sheetrock wall.
Now, the ASTM E119 test is repeated on high-impact gypsum. Many building materials are classified as fire-resistive, meaning they will burn if they get hot enough. These materials may be fire-rated for 1 or 2 hours, but as you will see, that designation can be very misleading.
This is real-life situation. When a firefighter walks into a building that's burning, 2-hour fire-rated sheetrock walls supposed to protect the occupants, put the hose on it, this is what's left. This will not protect occupants, this will not protect property, this will not give you the time to get out of a burning building. This is not the type of construction you want between you and a fire.
Gypsum can be retested for 1 hour, and if it passes the hose stream test in that 1 hour, they give it a 2-hour rated assembly. Unfortunately, that doesn't really reflect what happens out in a fire condition. We don't get a second chance in fire.
Now, let's conduct the same test on a Magnum board wall. This is a 1-hour test. This video depicts intervals of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes into the test, and 1 full hour, completing the E119 and Underwriters Laboratory UL 263 firewall test. The fire side of the Magnum wall assembly is sacrificed while the outside Magnum wall remains intact, providing the safety intended by the E119 and UL 263 test requirements. Unlike high-impact and fire-rated gypsum board products, Magnum board does provide you with the level of protection not available with any gypsum product and, in fact, most other building materials on the market today.
Okay, the following demonstration is a Durasip fiberglass laminate building panel with magnesium oxide facers as a finished surface. This panel is a 3.5-inch styrofoam core, and we're going to shoot this at close range with a .380 caliber full metal jacket bullet as a demonstration to see the ballistic performance. As you can plainly see, was hit here, and on the back there's absolutely no penetration of the panel whatsoever. There's a slight dent in the magnesium board, but the panel has passed. To further show the strength, we're going to shoot it again in about 1 inch away in the same spot, same caliber, same pistol. We'll shoot a little higher this time. This time we did have a little surface penetration only of the magnesium board because the bullets are so close together. However, there's absolutely no penetration of the shell. The bullet is completely intact and held by the Durasip fiberglass laminate. The occupant of this building would have been completely safe from harm had they been fired upon.